हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं हूं शाश्वत और आपको स्वागत है हमारा चैनल 700 साल पे। तो आज हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं एनसीईआरटी इंग्लिश हॉरिजॉन्टल बुक का 4th चैप्टर, जो कि एन इंडियन अमेरिकन वुमन इन स्पेस कल्पना चावला है। उसका क्वेश्चन आंसर्स और वर्ड मीनिंग हम इधर डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं, तो वीडियो को इन तक देखना। और अगर आपको एनसीईआरटी इंग्लिश हॉरिजॉन्टल बुक और ए पार्ट विद द सन बुक का हर चैप्टर का क्वेश्चन आंसर्स और वर्ड मीनिंग चाहिए तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। और हमारा वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक कीजिएगा। तो चलिए हम शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, वेयर वाज कल्पना चावला born? Why she is called an Indian American? Answer: Kalpana Chawla was born in Karnal, Haryana. Thus, she was born in India. But later, she went to US and became her naturalized citizen. So, she called an Indian American. Question number 2. When and why did she go to the US? Who did she marry? Answer: She went for a master's degree to the US earlier. She married flight instructor Jean Perry Harrison. Question number 3. How did she become an astronaut? What gave her the idea that she would be an astronaut? Answer: After qualifying as a pilot, Chawla applied to NASA Space Shuttle program. She was first hired as a research scientist at NASA. In 1994, she was selected at NASA for training as an astronaut. It was her success as a pilot which gave her the idea that she could become an astronaut. Thus, she became an astronaut. Question number 4. What abilities must an astronaut have according to the journalist? According to the journalist, an astronaut needs commerce abilities. He or she needs to know a lot about everything from biology to astrophysics to aeronautical engineering. In brief, he or she must have encyclopedic knowledge. Question number 5. Describe Kalpana Chawla's first mission in space. Answer: Kalpana Chawla's first mission in space was in the Space Shuttle Columbia. It was of 15 days, 16 hours and 34 minutes. During this time, she went around the Earth 252 times, traveling 10.45 million kilometers. The crew performed experiments such as pollinating plants to observe food growth in space. It also made tests for making stronger metals and faster computer chips. It was all done for a price tag of about $56 million. Question number 6. What does Kalpana Chawla say about pursuing a dream? Do you agree with her that success is possible? Answer: Kalpana Chawla says that it is possible to change a dream to reality. For this, one needs vision and courage. Yes, I agree with her. that success is possible. However, I feel God's blessing are most essential. तो इसी के साथ हमारा क्वेश्चन आंसर्स अभी खत्म हुआ और हम अभी वर्ड मीनिंग्स डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं. नेचुरलाइज्ड, डिक्लेयर सिटीजन, फ्रंटियर्स, स्ट्रीम्स, unprecedented, never before, straight left line, tragedy, naturalized, declared citizen, frontiers, streams, unprecedented, never before, straight left lines, tragedy, a tragic incident, glider, motorless aircraft, pollinating, airport, pollen, super specializations, knowing more than an ordinary specialist, encyclopedic, very vast. तो फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको हॉर्निशकल बुक का फर्स्ट चैप्टर से लेकर 3 चैप्टर का क्वेश्चन आंसर्स और वर्ड मीनिंग्स चाहिए तो लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा. तो आज का वीडियो इतना ही. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.